Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, it's been a little while now, and I came by, and I can't remember if it was an advertisement, somebody on YouTube, or where it was, but they had one of these, and were saying how great they were. And what it is, it's a ratcheting adapter. Now, I got the 3/8 one. They have one for 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. And, well, I'll just show you. And there it is. It's to turn your breaker bars into a ratcheting mechanism, which I thought was pretty darn nifty. Now, I do wonder about, you know, you can even do it this way, but the strength of it as far as breaking things loose. But I use this quite a bit, this 3/8 breaker bar, for different things. And every now and then, you know, if you need to have it going this direction, but you can only get it in, you know, you can't get it quite where you want it. So I figure with this, especially if I can get it, break it loose, but it's still kind of tough. So I would, if I could, I'd break it loose with this first, then throw this on, even if it was a little bit tougher, and use it like a regular ratchet. But if you just can't get anything else in where you want it and you need to break something loose, this gives you an infinite amount of places you can put that, get it in there, and break something loose. So I hope it works well. I have not used it near enough or at all, actually, to be able to tell you whether it's good, bad, or otherwise, but I thought it was kind of a handy, kind of a neat idea that I could have used in the past, and definitely know I will use in the future. So there you go. I got it on Amazon. There's the different things. It's a just PT, so ratcheting adapter for performance tools. Ratcheting adapter. It says lifetime warranty. Converts any breaker bar or sliding T-handle into a ratchet. Hex bolster for use with an open end or adjustable wrench. Works independently as a thumb wheel ratcheting. Well, that's pretty cool. I didn't even think about that, but yeah, I'll probably use it for that too. Heavy duty chrome vanadium construction, oil resistant black phosphate finish. So there you go. That's what it's all about. I thought it was kind of a really neat idea, and you can go either direction too. It goes reverse, then you turn this and it goes forward. So and then you can use this to, you know, screw and unscrew things by hand once you get it going. So I thought that was pretty cool. I'm probably just going to leave it right on here so I don't lose it, or put it in my box. We'll see, in with the rest of the ratcheting stuff, but right now I'm just going to leave it on there, see if it works. Alright, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.